how to install acoustic panels. Step 1. Prepare your tools for the installation. Step 2. Measure and cut the panels. Measure the width and height of your wall. Mark the cutting lines on the panel with a pencil and masking tape. Use a fine tooth or sharp saw to cut the panels along the marked lines. Sand the cut edges of the panel until smooth. Step 2A. Install the panels over or around skirting. If you're installing on top of the skirting board, the panels will only need to be cut to the top of the skirting, not the whole wall height. We recommend installing the panels above the skirting to protect the panels from knocks and scratches. Step 3. Optional. Finish the panels with a finishing oil. Note: in Australia and New Zealand, our panels come pre-oiled to enhance the natural grain and protect against smudges and light scratches. This step is completely optional. Only follow it if you'd like to darken the finish or customize the look to suit your style. Use a small microfiber roller to apply the finish in a thin, even coat. Additional coats can be applied to personal preference. Step 4. Optional. Install battens for better acoustics. This step is optional. For a simpler install, you can screw or glue the panels directly to your wall. No battens needed. Caution: always check for pipes, wiring, or other hidden hazards before drilling or screwing into any wall. Install batten across the wall in 30cm increments for best sound absorption. We recommend 45mm thickness for best sound absorption. Use a level to ensure that the battens are straight and evenly spaced. Screw them into the wall. Caution: again, ensure the wall is safe to drill into. Step 5. Attach the acoustic panels to the wall. Hold the panel in place on the wall. Drill the screws through the felt into the battens. Tip: if you're installing straight onto the wall, you can use a construction adhesive glue. If you prefer, you can also use screws to fix the panel directly to the wall. In New Zealand and Australia, each box comes with 2 pieces that are 32cm wide, like the picture on screen now. Together, these 2 32cm wide pieces join seamlessly to create the full 64cm wide panel. This makes the panel even easier to install. Still planning your project? Order a 100% refundable sample box to find your perfect finish.